Passage 2. Remember how we learned about light, the last topic? Well, next topic, antimatter. Antimatter, it is the opposite matter. It's everything the same except for the charge. Like, let's say electron. The particle is a positron. So now it has the same everything except for it has a different charge. It's a positive. So proton will be -1 and anti-neutron will be still 0, because is there anything opposite of 0? Like, is there anything opposite of a neutral charge? Matter has mass and takes up space. That's easy to learn. Trigonometry is the relationship between side lengths and angles. So now let's talk about right angle triangles. The biggest side length is a height, and then opposite of that is arc, and then the one that joins with height is adds. Okay, so sine is op over height, cos is edge over height, and tan is ap over edge. Up over edge. Now volume. Volume is a 3D dimension. The amount of how much can something contain. Area is 2D, the amount of space it takes. Length, 1D, the length of something. So now x is 2D, y is 1D, z is 3D. X is width, y is length, and z is height. So like on what I drew, it looks like a cube, alright? Time is a coordinate because you can be at the position at the time. It never stops. Y is equal to ax plus b. It's the equation. Y is a dependent variable, meaning it depends on a variable. X is an independent variable. It can have any value. Y depends on x. A is a coefficient. Coefficient means what's the difference between the numbers on the graph. And b is equals to the constant, okay? So it can't change. Okay, let's see. 23 plus 23 equals 46, you know. You can use the vertical strategy. 23 minus 23 is 0, you know. But now, for borrowing. So, 25 plus 36, okay. So now, 5 plus 6 equals 11. You can't put 11 on there. So, you put 1 and then put the 10th digit into 1. So, you put it up there. So, 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6, okay. So now borrowing. So now 37 minus 28. So now, okay. So 7 minus 8 is not possible. You can't put a negative number on a vertical graph. So now you actually can, from 37 you take the 30, cancel the 3. It'll become 2, okay. 2 minus 2 equals 0, okay. So now it'll become, you put the 10 over here, okay. It'll become 17 minus 8, okay, that's 9. So the difference is 9, okay. Now let's see. 22 times 9. So now this is easy. So let's see. 2 times 9 equals 18. So it's 8. Then you have to put the 1 over there. And then 9 times 2 equals 18. But then you add the 1. You don't multiply, you add it. So it becomes 198. 21 times 81. Now that's difficult. So what you do? So now you have to take the 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. Okay? Then you put a 0. And then you have to do 8 times 1 equals 8. And then 8 times 2 equals 16. And then you put the 0. So now you just add them. It will become 1701. Okay? Radioactive. Unstable elements. Gravity, force that pulls stuff to the ground. More gravity, quicker you get pulled. More mass, the more gravity affection. And then rules of Newton. Now let's see. External force is something that hits a body and then it moves, okay? Like if I hit this tape, okay? If I hit it, it will roll, right? So now number 1 rule. An object will remain at rest or constant speed unless a force is applied. External force. Remember? So maybe just move at a constant speed, or it will be at rest until I apply external force. It will move at accelerated speed. 2. If F is equal to m times a, more force, more acceleration, more mass, more force needed. Number 3, for an equal force, there is an opposite force. Like if I hit a brick wall, the brick will shake, but then you'll reply something for it, so that's how you hurt. So now, strong nuclear. Gluons stick nucleus particles and quarks together. Gluons are a particle in strong nuclear. Electromagnetic is caused by electron's velocity. The electron velocity creates an electric field. The electric field creates a magnetic field. If the magnetic field varies, the electron field gets bigger. Same charges repel in different attract. More charge, more force, and less distance. Magnetic field has a north and south pole. Gravity equation: F is equal to G times m1 times m2 over r square. F is equal to force of attraction. G is equal to gravitational constant. m1 is equal to mass of body 1. m2 is equal to mass of body 2. R square equals distance between distance and square because two people. Elementary particles make the atom. Now that's what it